Have you ever given thought to how to improve your responsiveness and agility? Hi, I'm Helene Segura, and I'm a time management fixer. When you are able to improve your productivity and your efficiency, that is going to help you with your level of responsiveness and agility. And these are extremely critical skills right now, given that in the Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland, you might be experiencing both external forces and internal forces that could possibly shift priorities and needs and requests at any given time throughout the day. I invite you to join me at my September 30th session presented by IMS. And we are going to focus on the 4 keys of time management. These 4 keys are essential to being able to better implement any kind of skill under the time management umbrella, and also most definitely to improve that responsiveness and agility that would serve you so well right now. Please make sure that you click on the link below in the description so that way you can get more details about this session and register. I'll see you there.